This conference will now be recorded.
अद्य शनिवासरः अथवा मन्दवासरः निज अश्विन कृष्णसप्तमी दिनांक 7 नोव्हेंबर 2020 सहस्रयोगम् शङ्खं चक्रं जलौकान् दशतमृतघटं चारुदौर्भिश्चतुर्भिः सूक्ष्मस्वच्छादिवृत्यां मौलिमं भोजनेत्रं कालाम्भोदोज्ज्वलाङ्गं कटितटविलसच्चारुपीताम्बराढ्यं वन्दे धन्वन्तरिं तं निखिलगतवनप्रौढदावाग्निलीलम् प्रौढतावाग्निलीलम् ब्रह्मणो हि समारब्धा मात्रेयाद्येषु पूजिताम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् आयुर्वेदरतं वन्दे माधवाख्यं महागुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं शिष्येभ्यो यः प्रदत्तवान् द्रष्टाज्ञानी दृष्टकर्मा कृतकर्मा तथैव च अध्यापको विषक्श्रेष्ठो महान् संशोधकस्तथा गुणैरेतैः समुदितैः यत्कार्यं प्रतनोति सः समृद्ध्यर्थं हि कार्यस्य वयं नु प्रयतामहे सरस्वत्यै नमो यस्याः प्रसादात् पुण्यकर्मभिः बुद्धिदर्पणसङ्क्रान्तं जगदध्यक्षमीक्षते आत्रेयं प्रथमं वन्दे आयुर्वेदजगद्गुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं गृहीत्वा हि सुरेश्वरात् अग्निवेशादिकेभ्यो यत्प्रयच्छत् सत्तमः प्रथमं तन्त्रकर्तारम् अग्निवेशं नमाम्यहम्। प्लस्सिन्तोलादि कषाय प्लस तोलुदु पलाशत्व अर्धापल पुनर्नवा एक तृतीयांश फल औषध शुंठी एक षष्ठांश फल prepare decoction with the above drugs in the specified quantity and essentially with Saindhava Lavana. So Palash, Push, Punarnava and Shunthi, that's the only combination. Pachotri, शुंठ नाही पावडर हे सगळ्याच काढा. ओके. पच्छोत्री कुवलादि कषाय पच्छोत्री लोध्रमूल कुवलम बिल्वमूल यष्टि भारंगी तिळ आर्तवशूल. The first one is Gulmajanya Vedana Shoph. Artavashula. Is this available? Bharangi and Tira. Lodhra, what is available in the market? I don't know. Lodhra Churna is available. So Lodhra Yashti, Bilva Moola, and Bharangi and Tila. This may be tried because Artavashula is very common. Mahodara, Tavi Dvamani, Dvamadi, Tovit Dvamadi, Tovit Dvam, Prashaya, Punarnava. Haritati, Argatva, Shirvilva, Shuntha, Nimba. Mahodara. पुनर्नवा हरितकी आरगवत्वक कृतिकरंज शुंठी भूनिंब. It's a strange combination. पांडु प्रविकार्द्रकादि कषाय. वच्चा पर्विकार्द्रकादि. आर्द्रक काकमाची मंडूकपर्णी. और found Tila with Bhringaraja Swarasa and administered with Loha Bhasma, Pittaja Pandu. So Tila and Bhringaraja Swarasa with Loha Bhasma. Vyoshadi Kashaya. Vyosha Ajamoda Tavidvama Punarnava Ikshumula Mandura Haritaki Balamula Chinsa Patra Vrunta Purana Kitta Jambira Nisha Vajralata Asti Samhara Tripadi Hamsapadi. Take the above drugs in earthenware and add equal quantity of water and buttermilk. Then put it on mild fire and boil till the water portion is completely evaporated. Afterwards, keep the vessel nearer to the fire so that the decoction should always be lukewarm state. The decoction, once prepared, can be used for 7 days. Administer internally in a dose of Ardha Pala twice a day. Replace the quantity of kashaya used every time with equal quantity of fresh buttermilk. Pandu. As a Bhaishya Kalpana, this is quite new. It's Siddha Takra and to be used for 7 days. So, Takramushitam Vinihanti Pandu. Trikatu Ajamoda Punarnava Ikshumula Mandura Haritaki Balamula Chinsa Patra Vrinta Purana Kitta Jambira Nisha Haridra Vajralata Asti Samvara. So Asti Samvara, first time we are seeing. Tripadi Hamsapadi. Equal quantity of water and buttermilk. It will not get diluted. Only thing is, it's going to be becoming more and more sour as the days pass. And if you add fresh buttermilk, which might not be that sour, then the it will not be much sour. It will not remain much sour. And whether this lasts for 7 days, that's a question. So totally different way of administration of drug. Keep the vessel nearer to the fire so that the decoction should always be always in the lukewarm state. Dose of Ardhapala twice a day. After 7 days, this 7 days Agni Samparka Sanitha, but this is just nearer to the fire that we have to keep. It's not on the fire itself. and earthenware is used, so there is a possibility of leakage of water from that. That is also possible. It may keep on getting concentrated. I think we should try to do this kind of concept. At least see what happens with that. And as a Bheshesha Kalpana, this may be tried. Is there any tradition of following this in Kerala? Does anybody know? कामला यष्टिवासादि कषाय यष्टिवासा अमृता वालक कतक हठ वेट amalaki ikshu gokshura. Ikshu is coming again. Ashtamansha kashaya with above svasvega and internally earlier in the morning kamala. In Karnataka, Karkataka Masa, Karkataka, that keep kashaya like this and drink as a tradition for good health whole year. What is Karkataka Masa? Do you mean Kartika? They keep kashaya like this and drink as a tradition for good health whole year. So try to get information about this. Pandu is a very big problem in India, and conventional medicine is focusing on tablets, iron tablets or something like that, and that's not the real solution. So the simplest solution is to use iron vessel, and your hemoglobin will increase with iron. Otherwise, this is containing Mandura and Takra. So this also is fine. And one may make some research before hemoglobin percentage or RPCs, etc. and after consumption of this. That should be fine. And then this would be worth propagating. Karkataka, is it Kartika or Karkataka? I have heard for the first time. Is in beginning of monsoon, mid of June and to mid of July. We have Shadi available. Okay. Sarutavul Vasuka Punarnava. भूम्यामलकी त्रिपादी आमलकी मंडूकपर्णी. Buttermilk early in the morning. Kamala. This is also for Kamala. Now to think about this. This is containing Bhumyamalaki. That is one of the important aspects. Now patent has been given for in vitro study of Bumyamalaki against hepatitis B virus. Though this has been taken from Ayurveda, it is not mentioned Ayurveda or anywhere over there. Karkataka is Malayalam month, peak of monsoon. In this month, people take kanji in the evening and read Ramayana. Okay. So, only milk diet to be given. So, if there is hepatitis B positive and patients come to us with Kamala, Udara, or cancer, liver cancer, this is very common. Most of the liver cancer patients are having hepatitis B positive, neglected over years, and they ultimately develop cancer. So I am using Bumyamalaki in powder form in this, but maybe this is also a good combination. Suntha, Bunimba, Apamarga, Yavas, Kalanchu, Punarnama Mula, Shopa Vibandha, Chukunchunadi, Chundadi, Chukuchundadi Kashai. Kanji means rice kanji. Yes, that should be right, rice kanji. Punaviraladi, Basmaganji. Tala Pushpa Gucha, Kadaladi Apamarga, Kokilaksha, Ramba Kadali Kanda. Like also burn them into ash and then add water and filter it. Afterward, add equal quantity of milk and prepare kanji, ganji, shofa. So this is really a kshara. Equal quantity of water, milk. So it becomes kshara jala, and then from kshara jala you have to prepare milk. This should be good for Mutravasrotas as such. Avil Toladi Bhasma Ganji. Utikaran Jatva Kadaladi Apamarga. Danti Shweta Arka Chitra Erandamul Kokilaksha Aragvatatva Trunasnuhi Panaviral Talapushpa Snuhi Mula Rambha Kadalikanda. This is again to be Bhasma. Add equal quantity of buttermilk or milk and prepare kanji. Shofa Gulma Udara. Tathya Punarnavadi Kashaya. Haritaki Punarnava Pippali Mula Krishniparni Shunti Tibera Jiraka Suradaru Katutumbi. chauffeur. This kasha should be given in the morning hours and chukuchundadi kasha in the evening hours. Is this available? पथ्या पुनर्नवादी. दुधापासून कांची बनवायची म्हणजे काय करायचं? I think it's going to be Siddha Kshira, or you may have to ferment it and then it becomes kanji. Can't say. We have to see the tradition. If at all this exists, tradition exists, then we may have to look for the tradition. That will be better. So if we go remote places in Kerala where these are in use, that we may understand. Kulakadi Kashaya. Kulaka Vrusha Kiratarishtatikshapathya. Malaka Kamalayajana. Malayajana. Kaushikadhyak Kashayaha. Sakalagadasamuham Hanti Visarpamugram. Varvamidaha Bhranti Krishna Rujabi. This is containing Ubulu. And Visarpa is the philosophy. Javarvamidaha Bhranti Krishna Rujabi. Patola Vasa Arishta Nimba Kirata Tikta Katuruni Aksha Vibhitaka Patha Aripati Amalaka Malayaja Chandana Kaushika Gugulu. So again, this is a very strange combination. Jvaravamidaha Bhranti Trishna Vedana Yukta Visarpa. Might be good for Visarpa. Is this available? Kulakadi Kashaya? Doesn't seem to be. Nannaryadi Kashaya. Nannari. Krishna Sarima. Chandana. Vedana Yukta Visarpa Harpis Duster was Var Upayukta Rahil. Yes, that is true. Actually, in the text, it is not Vedana Yukta, Ugra Visarpa that has been said. But maybe there are certain Visarpa cases with severe pain as well. There is burning as well, but severe pain. So, Krishna Sariva, Chandana, Kushira, Yashtipatu, Ambujasya Pinjalka, Kamalakeshar, Manjishtha, Haridra, Patya Haritaki. This is again for Visarpa. Nannaradi, Nannariyadi Kashaya. Shunda Tavidmadi Kashaya. Bhunimba, Punarnava, Shunti, and Duranava. This is also for Visarpa. Bhunimba, Punarnava, Shunti, and Duranava. And when is entered the rice kanji? Here it might be Peya rice kanji. It's not kanji. Masurika, Dhatri Chinchadi Kashaya. Chandana, Chinchadi, not Chandana. रातिचन्दन मेरवारु बीजं गुञ्जा फलं सितं पिबेत्तण्डुलतोयेन नोद्भवन्ति मसूरिकाः धात्रीचन्दन एरवारु बीज snake cucumber कुमिस सीतम गुंज फल श्वेतगुंजा फल पोस्ट herpetic neuralgia मध्ये उपयोगी होईल का? Yes, I think so. We may have to try. with तंडुलोदका मसूरिका. So this might be Dhatri Chandana Kashan. Is this available? Gunja Phala. It's strange. Sita Gunja Phala. There has to be Shuddhi prepared of Gunja and then to be used. Draksha Kashmaryadi Kashan. द्राक्षा काश्मर्य खरजूर पटोला अरिष्टवासकैः लागा तामल दुस्पर्शैः क्वथितं शर्करान्वितं मसूरिकां प्रत्यकृतां प्रत्यगां च विनाश. This is simple. द्राक्षा काश्मर्यादि कषाय. So is this available? द्राक्षा काश्मर्य खरजूर पटोल निंब वासा लाजा तामलकी गुंगामलकी दुस्पर्शा पित्तज and रक्तज मसूरिका. These cases are rare now. चतुर्मास म्हणजे कर्कटक मास का? It doesn't seem to be Chaturmasa. It's only one masa. It's the peak of the Varsha Rutu, as what they were saying. So maybe we try to understand the traditions. That will be better. Panchamuladi Kashaya. The Panchamule Rasnaksha Dhatryushiram Duralabha. Samrata Dhandeka Mustam Jayat Vatavasma Surika. So Dvipanchamula, Dashamula, Rasna, Dhatri, Ushira, Duralabha, Guruchi, Dhanyaka and Musta, Vataja Masurika. Panchamuladi Kashan. Nimbamrutabdadi Kashan. Nimbamrutabdadhanyaka Yasabhunimba Parpatehi Vasavara Patolesha Pathaswotarapparaha. Nimbamrutabdadi. Where do we use Lakupanchamula? Can't remember right now, but in Kafajajvara, I suppose. Tamya Panchamulancha. Kafajajvara. It is there, but it is good for Jalapachana and Jalanissarana as well. So this is also good. Nimba Amruta Abda Musta Dhanyaka Yavasa Yasa Bhunimba Parpata Vasavasa Vara Patola. This is Spotaharappara. So I had one case which I discussed long back, William Johnson syndrome. There was fever for 2 months, ranging from 102 to 104. And in the end, there were blisters all over the body. And then this was diagnosed as William Johnson syndrome, autoimmune disorder. And the patient was about to die when I was introduced, and I diagnosed as Pittaja Visarpa and treated with Patola Dikashaya and Durva, etc. And fever subsided, the blisters subsided, and she recovered fully. So she was about to die. So this is also Pathasphota Paraha. This is a good option for sport. Vata Pittagna Lagu Panchamula. Okay. So this is a good combination and can be easily used. Amrutarajanyadi Kashaya. Amrutarajani Nimba Yasa Rogagna Toya Dei. Patyadhatri Vrusheh Vata Shita Pittindakarana. So this is available. I am using it. Yes, particularly for Shita Pitta. Amrutarajani Nimba Yasa Rogagna. Let's see. Toya Dei Patyadhatri Vrusheh. So this is quite simple. Aragvata. Arevato Vadhigata. So Vadhigata is one of Pariyaya. So this is Aragvata. Guduchi Rasna Nimba Vasa. Yasa is Yavasa Dhamasa. Aragvata Musta Patya Dhatri Purusha Vasa. Shita Pitta. Only Palashruti is Shita Pitta, and I have been using this for Shita Pitta for many years now. And this is available in the market. Arakvadha Amrutadikashaya. Arakvadha Amrutapatya Kadare Samprasaditam Tokikaram Latitarte Peyam Dever Yathamruta. Is this available? Arakvadha Amrutadi Kashaya. So Arakvadha Amrutapatya Kadire. So simple combination. Tvak Vikara and Amlapitta. So this combination is seen Tvak Vikara and Amlapitta in certain cases. And Sarvadoshite. Does anybody know this Arakvadha Amrutadi Kashaya available? Tvak Vikara Amlapitta. Khadira Trifaladi Kashaya. Khadira Trifala Nimba Patolamrita Vasakaihi. Ashtakoyam Jayat Kushta Kandu Vispotaka. This is also simple. Khadira Trifaladi Kashaya. Khadira Trifala Nimba Patola Amrita Vasa. Khadira Trifala is then to be taken separately. Nimba Patola Amrita and Vasa. So, this is also simple. So we have to see whether Ganasara or these are available. So we can easily dispense. Khadira Tripaladi Kashaya, this seems to be a good combination. And can be used extensively. Kandu, Kushka and Vispotaka. When Kashaya is not available, then can we use the its Churna, or which Kalpana should be used instead? Churna is fine, but Ganasara is a better concept. If Kashaya tablet is available, then we can dispense it. That should be fine. So it's better if we can use Churna also. That is also fine, but with Ganasara it will be fortified. Kushta Kandu Vispota. This is also fine. Shuntyadi Kashaya. Big part. Shunti Nimba Kirata Tikta Kana Patha Haribra Doyam Trayanti Islam Duta Katuka Vasa Vacha Vakuchi Manjisthati Vishadura Ravamaha Nimbagnisha Dantika Vyadhigro गजल चिरभटास कुटभा कुटजा भांगी समुस्तायवाः. Kashaya and Kashaya tablets have exact same properties. One can't say exact, but at least they will have properties of Kashaya, and it's easy to take internally because otherwise it may become difficult. Even still, this is big part. On same changes, same properties, one may say. Agni amount and type of Agni given changes the action of Kalpa. That is another thing, and durability is another thing. Either you have to go for Asavarishta or you have to go for Kashaya. Preparing Kashaya every day is hectic or something like that. In some formulation, coarse powder Kashaya more effective than Ghana Kashaya. But then you have to prepare it fresh. That is the thing. Then you can use it like that. मूर्वाचैव पटोलपत्रसहिता रक्तं तथा चन्दनं श्यामा पर्पटसारिवा कृमिहरा गायत्रिका संयुतं गोमूत्रेण महाकषायं अरुणोद्भूतं वेद्यः पुमान् तस्य अष्टादश यान्ति नाशम् अचिरात् कुष्ठानि दुष्टान्ये. So this is particularly for Pushpa. Suntha Nimba Kiratatikta Pippali Patha Haridradvaya Trayanti Trifala Amruta Rivera Katuka Vasa Vacha Bakuchi Manjishta Ativisha Duralava Mahanimba Chitraka Karpur Haridra Shagadita व्याधि निग्रह आरोग्य बोधक गज चिर्भातस इंद्रायण मूल कुटज बारंगी मुस्ता यव मोरवा पटोलपत्र रक्तचंदन चंदन श्यामा पर्पट सारिवा कृमिहर विडंग गायत्री का स्थगिर 18 types of kushta. Karpur Haridra. I heard this first time. Karpur Haridra. Shadgranthika is Karpur Haridra. Don't know really. Tiranga roga, Tirangi roga, Chukkan Tippalyadi, Chukkum Tippalyadi Kashaya. So Shunthi and Pimpali. Shunthi, Pippali, Mulaka Maricha, Trifala, Krishnaji Raka, Duralabha, the Daru Haridra, Methika, and Chopchin equal to all. So Firangi roga, Chopchinyadi Churna is being used. Firangi roga. So no other Falashruti. Now this is also Sankramaka Rog, spreading from person to person. So in today's diseases, whether it's chikungunya or dengue, etc., which spread from person to person, these may be thought. This Chopchineri I am already using, but this may be thought. Vepin Tolal Kashaya, Nimbamula Kashaya, or Chopchini Kashaya, or Kadira Kashaya, or Haritik Kashaya. Conduct Bhaskasveda with Chopchini Kashaya. Dushtavrana. Nimbamula, Chopuchini, Kadira Kashaya, or Haritaki Kashaya. And this is to be taken internally. Wounds of cancer is a very big issue, very troublesome, particularly oral cancer, breast cancer, these lymphomas in groin region, burst open lymphomas in groin region. These are very troublesome. And how to go for Dushtavrana Shodhana and Ropana is a big challenge. So Chopchini alone can be used maybe think of this internal as well as external. सगळ्यांना or लिहिलंय तर काय घ्यावे exactly? What is available? It should be taken. Truly speaking, one may go for a proper choice in a given situation for a given patient. What is a proper choice that one may think of, considering the properties of these four independently? And if not, then may go for what is available easy. These all should be available. There should not be any. Nimbamoola is difficult. But Chopchini, Khadira, and Haritaki all are available. No problem. So then better to decide which is more appropriate in a particular patient and try to give them. So, but I think this should be tried in Dushtavrana. And I may have to remember this. गुडूची त्रिफलादि कषाय गुडूची त्रिफला धार्मिक वातम उष्णेश्च वारिभिः वग्दोष व्रणशोफग्न पीतो मासम स गुकुलुः वग्दोष व्रण and शोफग्न pito masam sa guguluhu along with to be done along with. So might be we can prepare a gugulu from this. It is very strange how Datar Guruji converted Palatrikadi Kashaya into Palatrikadi Gugulu. Basically, Pandupittasra Kamalaha, that is the Palashruti. and Pitta Shamaka really speaking this Vata is. But he started using along with the Gugulu and prepared Gugulu with that. Palatikadi Gugulu. It is one of his favorite and regular medicine. So this also we can prepare a Gugulu with this. Vaduchi Trifala Darvi and Gugulu. So I think this we can practice and Varna Shofag no. For Varna also this is very good. Pito Masam sa Gugulu. Vidalin Veradi Kashaya. Vilali. Vidangamula. Pranamula. Pippali Shiguru Tulsi. Brahmadruma. Palash. Palash has Brahmadruma. Palash is supposed to be a holy vriksha. And the Samhita of Palash are regularly used in sacrifices. So Gulu म्हणजे Gulu बरोबर द्यावे असा अर्थ. Yes. So if we prepare Gugulu with these, that should also be fine. It is to be given with Gugulu. And maybe bhavanas of these, decoction of these can be given. So one may prepare churna of this and give bhavana. Rahu Graha Sati Palash Ahuti. Okay. Generally, Udumbara Samhita are used, but there are some particular mention of Palasha. So in specific conditions, this is a better choice to do. Rahu Graha. You have to think of this Adidevika aspect. Ketaki Mula equal to the above all, prepare Chaturdhava Shishta Kashaya with the above specified and coconut milk, Tandulodaka, Sarshapa, Hingu to prepare kanji and administer internally. So strange enough, it is Vidanga Moola over here. Brahmadruma, Palash. Whereas papdi is being used for Krumi Roga. Brahmadruma may have to think about this Krumi Roga. विलंग निर्गुंड्याभया कुकर्णी रसोन शोभांजन नागरादय पक्वांबु हिंगूषण चूर्ण मिश्रण त्रिदिन प्रयोग विलंग निर्गुंडी अभया अकुपर्णी रसोन शोभांजन नागर अब्द मुस्त कृमि रोग administer hingu and ushnamaricha churna for 3 days कृमि रोग. This we may try to use. Is this available Vidangadi? विडंग निर्गुंड्यादि कषाय. मुस्ताकु करणादि कषाय. मुस्ताकु करणी फलदार शिग्रु वातस्य कृष्णा कृमिशत्रुकल्पः. मार्गद्वयोनापि चिरप्रवृत्तान् कृमीन् निहन्ति त्रिविजांश्च रोगान्. So Undirkani is quite used for Kurmi Roga, and Kodatkar sir had one administered Pupalika from Undirkani. So Undirkani powder to be mixed with dough and to be converted into roti. So this is from Grantha itself, from text itself. So we may have to think about this Undirkani when there is a tendency of formation of worms. Margadvayenapi chirapravritta. This is also strange. From Urdhva and Adha, there can be Kurmis coming out. And Kurmijamshtaroga and Kurmija Vikara to be conquered. So, Sardeshmukh sir said that his father, who was Nadi expert, used to say that if one is able to understand Kavaja Kurmi Nadi, then that's a great achievement. So then you are very good in Nadi practice. I've just heard this because Sardeshmukh sir is never open. Teach Nadi Pariksha or something like that. But anyway, Kavaja Kurmi Nadi, this is something very typical as what he said. And there are patients seen who vomit worms. So one may have to consider these cases with their complications. And Kurmi itself is a very big subject, leading to varieties of diseases. And many a times when we are unable to diagnose a disease, it is Kurmi. And if we understand that and administer drugs for Kurminashana, then it works. Dirgundyadi Kashaya Nagarjuna and Vaidyaratna. Okay, so this is available. Dirgundyadi. Even Aragvadhadi Kashaya is also available. Aragvadhadi Rujayati Shvitrakushta Kapatumin, Pandurogam Pramehancha Medo Dosha Degarhana. So we may try to go for Aragvadhadi or Dirgundyadi Kashaya for Kuri. Khadiradi Kashaya. Khadirak Kutirak Pichumarda Vacha, Tikatu Tripala Trivata Senitam, Sharpashumutraitam, Vivasaptadina, Krimikoti Shatanyapin Hanti Achara. So to be administered with Gomutra for 8 days. Saptadina. Khadira Kutacha Pichumarda, that is Nimba Vacha, Tikatu Tripala Trivrit, and Gomutra. We can prepare tablet from this. Khadiradi Kashaya tablet and with Gomutra. So to be prepared with Gomutra, that should be fine. And if we may add bit of Aragvada in this, so the tableting will be easier. And Krimikoti Shatanyapi Hantyachara, Krimikoti Shata, Kadiradi K, Kashaya, Nagarjuna. Is this Kashaya tablet available on this? Mangesh, are you present? We can prepare this for Kumi. So that should be fine. Yeah. So this is quite simple, and we can do it with Gomutra Bhavana, and then to be given. I'm using only the Kurvikuthar Ras in the morning and Aragat Kapila in the night for all Kurvi patients. But this might be a good combination, and we may try to use this. That should be fine. Kurvi Roga, Shatavariyadi Kashaya. Big part. So I think we continue on Monday. Lahan मुलांसाठी कषायाची मात्रा किती असावी? Depends on the age. So in infants it can be in drops, and maybe after 6 months or so it can be 10 drops, etc., 5 to 10 drops, and later on after 2 years 1 teaspoonful. That should be fine. In seborrheic dermatitis, do we have to consider Chikitsa along with Kushta Chikitsa? सर्वाणि कुष्ठानि सवातानि सपित्तानि सरक्तानि रक्तानि सकृमीणि च भवन्ति. That is what Sushruta says. But in each kushta you have to consider Krimi Chikitsa. Single dose of Krimi Kuthar and Aravat Kapila, no. I continue it, and maybe it has to be repeated 3 days continuously with a gap of 15 days. That is also fine. In some cases I do like that. Otherwise I continue. That's a better thing to do. But one may give the Matra Basti of Karanjal Kapoor and Nirgundi. Karanjal Kapoor to be used only 2 to 3 milliliters, and Nirgundi Taila maybe 40 50 ml as per age. 3 days consecutive, and then stop, and then again after 1 month or so. So that's a better thing to do. इस एओसिनोफिलिया मध्ये देता येईल अधिराधिक कषाय. Eosinophilia is allergic conditions, and one has to see which allergy the patient is having, and then may think of this, but not because only eosinophilia, but we have to see kapha pitta, etc. Then that should be. Yes, that I am using already. Many times it is associated with bones also. Many. What is many times? There are many diseases which are associated with Krimi, and we don't understand them as Krimi. So it's better to consider these on this particular thing. Ayurveda prakando nigadita ihani shalyatantra pradhanaha शिष्येभ्यः शाश्वतोऽयं निखिलजनकृपा व्याप्तचित्तेन येन आयुर्वेदस्य वाञ्छन् पुनरपि भुवनेतां च सुष्ठु प्रतिष्ठां श्रेष्ठं धन्वन्तरिं तं प्रणमति च सदा वैद्यवर्गो विनूनम्. Yeah, Taranjal Kapoor is available from Green Pharmacy, and for external use, can we use it in Basti? Can be used for externally for Indralupta that I regularly use. Dadima Tvak Kashaya Basti is also going for me. That is also fine. So तात्या जळूकर worked on bacteria types in Ayurveda Nidana and Chikitsa. Do you have any paper? तिक्ताजाजी बद्दल सांगाल सर. I'm just Kadujire. Tiktajaji is Kadujire. Used for what? Krumi and Indralupta, both. Indralupta, it is external application. For Krumi, we use it in Basti along with Nirgundika. So anyway, we conclude today, and